This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. Beautifully set on lushly landscaped double lot. Great open plan plus secluded private rooms too. Lots of natural light. Main level has living, dining, den, kitchen, laundry, primary suite west/luxury bath, and second bedroom west/half bath. Large screen porch and deck overlook your private park. Lower level has 2 bedrooms, each connected to tri-bath, plus extra rooms, half bath, 2-car garage. Great plan for working, schooling at home. Also accommodates multiple generations well. 3,000 plus square feet per appraisal. For more information, review the details below or contact David Tester at 901-682-1868.